Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am back with my crafty plans for 2019. Sorry about the lighting. I was only able to record this evening, so my house is dark and I've just got the lights around me, so it is having, the lighting is just weird on my face and stuff, so I apologize for that. Okay. First off, we are going to do the plans for cross stitch, for crochet, for scrapbooking, and then I have non-crafty plans that I want to talk to you guys about. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the cross stitch. I will be continuing the rotation that I currently am using. And that is, I only have 4 whips going at any time. I have 2 large projects, and a small and a mini. So, and that has really worked for me. I have really found my groove working with this rotation. So I'm going to stick with this rotation. How this rotation works is I stitch every day. Sunday is a small piece. I only work the small piece on Sunday. And I usually work every day on my projects 2 to 3 hours. That's all I can get in. So on Sunday I work on the small. I put that away. Monday and Tuesday I work on Halloween tricks, which is a large piece. I work 2 days on that. I can usually get 4 to 5 hours of work on those for all total on those days. So at the end of Tuesday, put it away. Wednesday and Thursday I work on a mini, which is my Christmas stockings. I work 2 days on those. Okay, so that is Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, put that away Thursday. Friday, Saturday is Raven Queen, which is another large piece. So I work on that. And then Sunday comes back around and I'm back on the small. This motivates me to keep stitching. The reason that is because I've got a small and I've got a mini that keep me with finishes. I have finishes going quite often because of the small and the minis. And that motivates me to work on the large pieces. So that's what I said. This works for me. This is what motivates me to continue and not get bored and things like that. So I will continue with this rotation. My next big project will be Mother's Tree by Lavender and Lace. Whenever I finish either Halloween Tricks or Raven Queen, whichever comes first, then I will put in Mother's Tree to work on that. I am now going through Ancestry.com to try to find all of the women on my mom's side, see how far I can get back, because I need dates and names and all of that. So I want to have all that ready for when I finish one of those big projects. So that will be my next big project. I'm looking down at notes. Okay, so this year in cross stitch I had 13 finishes. Love it. So I'm doing another goal. I am going to make a goal of finishing 15 cross-stitch projects this year. That's only 2 more. And I think that I can do it with the rotation that I have, with no problem. But, you know, goals are just goals. They are not set in stone. They're just something for you to try to achieve if you can. So it's nothing that I'm stressing over at all. I am also going to try to start doing the Stitch with Me's again. I loved doing them when I was doing them, but life here on the farm and, you know, just property and all of that, that kind of got in the way of that. Because I had to do it in the evening and I was usually tired and things like that. But I'm going to try really hard to somehow incorporate that back in again, because I really enjoyed doing that. Okay, and the last things for my plans for cross stitch are I would like to do the FFO swap again. I did it 2 years ago and everyone enjoyed it. And what it basically is, I'm not going to get into detail right now, but what it is all of us have finishes that we, you know, in cross stitch that we have done. And all of us, we love to cross stitch. So a lot of us, we do it because we just enjoy the process. We just like to cross stitch. We don't really have plans for these pieces, and so, but we like to stitch them. And as all of us know, there are those pieces that are just going to sit. Nothing is going to happen to them because they're not our style or whatever. So what the FFO swap is you will pick a finished object that you have finished, and there will be partners, and what you will do is you will send a finished object that you know you are never going to do anything with, and you will send it to your partner. Your partner has to fully finish that into something, whether it be a pillow or frame it, wall hanging, anything, whatever their thing is. But they have to finish it, and there will, you know, you have to do the videos so everyone can see and all of that. But, and it's also a way to share your work that you have done with somebody else as well. So that's what it is. And there's also, like, I require that you send like 5 skeins of DMC or whatever the people like also. And then, you know, whatever other kind of, like a cross stitch kit or needles or just something small for them. So anyway, I'm planning on doing that this year. And I'm also going to be doing the Stitchy Carousel package again this year at some point. So there will be more info on all of that whenever I figure everything out. So that is all for my plans for the cross stitch. Now we're going to go on to crochet. And for crochet, I want to finish my circle blanket, because like I said, all I got to do is sew everything together. And I want to make another afghan. I am just not sure which one I want to make yet. But I want to at least get another afghan because I've almost done with the other one. I want to make 6 more animal amigurumis because I love making them. They are fun. And I want to make 12 crocheted Christmas ornaments. There's a lot of fun Christmas patterns out there for ornaments, so I'm going to try to do 12. And I want to make my little dog a dog sweater, another dog sweater, and I want to at least make 4 beanies of some kind this year. I enjoy making them, and so I might end up making more than that. I'm not sure. And then, you know, of course, you know, whatever else, you know, attracts me, then, you know, I will make that as well. So, and I also want to do another crochet carousel this year as well. So, I don't know when, but I will let everybody know, and, you know, plenty of time, and get it with everybody and announce it and all of that, if you all are interested. Okay, so that's all for the crochet. For scrapbooking, I want to do 12 layouts this year. That will be 1 layout a month, and I really think that I can pull that off. It only takes me about an hour, sometimes an hour and a half, to do a layout. Because as you all know, less is more with me. It's basically all about the picture, and I put very little stuff on the page. So that's my scrapbooking. So that is what I plan to do there. Now my non-crafty plans are, I am going to do updates on the feral cats. There's a lot of interest in that. So I will keep you updated, at least 3 or 4 videos on their progress, on how they are responding, their setups outside that I have for them. And I need to do another video on Sam, because Sam is now, I can totally pet Sam now. I can go all the way down his back while he's eating and everything, and he is fine. So I need to do an update on that. And also I'm going to do updates on the sheep. The sheep are lambing right now, so that's another reason it's been really hectic around here. But we do have 2 babies now, so I will be doing some videos on those very soon. We have 4 females left that need to give birth, and they should be giving birth anytime. So when all that happens, then I will get out there with the camera and I will show you guys some new babies that have came. And I also want to do at least 2 tutorials. I have a hard time finding time to do that, but I'm really going to focus this year and try to take a few extra minutes and try to get some tutorials out for you guys of some kind. So anyway, that is all of my 2019 crafty goal plans. I think it's all doable. I think I can do this. I know I can do this. And I'm extremely motivated, so I hope you guys will continue to follow my journey through all my crafting projects, and thank you guys so much for your support with my channel and for all the encouragement that you give me in the cross stitch and the crocheting communities. It's much appreciated, and that is what keeps me going and motivated to continue working on my stuff. So anyway, thank you guys all so much. I want to wish you all a happy new year, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.